Good morning, children. In the last class, we came to know about the 6 maximum minimum thermometer. It is very difficult to hold the thermometer throughout the period of time to note the temperature. Okay. So, to note a period of time, okay, to note the different temperatures in a day, 6 maximum minimum thermometer is used. Okay, all you learnt in the before class. No, today we are going to see when they will use the thermometer and how to use the thermometer. Okay. uh, when your body temperature, when you are suffering with the fever, you will go to the doctor. At that time you can experience the raise in your body temperature. If we go to the doctor, we can see the clinical thermometer. Okay, the clinical thermometer with the doctor. Okay, doctors will use the clinical thermometer. Okay, when you are suffering with fever, if you go to the doctor will check your body temperature by using the clinical thermometer. This is the clinical thermometer. Okay, here this is the capillary tube, this is the stem, and this is the bulb, this is the mercury, all we know. And it has two types of scales in it. We can find two types of scales on it. One is Celsius scale, another one is Fahrenheit scale. We can find two types of scales in on the thermometer, clinical thermometer. One is Celsius and the one is Fahrenheit. Celsius scale is from 35 to 45 degrees Celsius. Okay, Celsius scale is having the readings from 35 degrees to 45 degree Celsius, and Fahrenheit scale is having the readings from 94 to 108 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, it has two scales on it. One is Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale. Celsius scale is from 35 to 45 degrees Celsius, and Fahrenheit scale is from 94 to 108 degrees Celsius. If you observe here there is a kink in the capillary tube near the bulb. Okay, this kink prevents the fall of mercury on its own. ఓకే, మెర్క్యూరీ దాని అంతటా అది కింద పడిపోకుండా ఈ కింక్ అనేది ప్రివెంట్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ సీ ది ఫారెన్హీట్ స్కేల్, here there are bigger markings, here there are smaller markings. Okay, like this. Two conjugative, the difference between two conjugative bigger marks is 1 degree. If you consider it as 1 degree, it has smaller divisions in between them 5. That means 1 by 5. One small line is equal to 0.2 degree Fahrenheit. On the Fahrenheit scale, there are the bigger markings and the smaller markings. Okay, the difference between two conjugative bigger marks, అంటే రెండు పక్కపక్కన బిగ్గర్ మార్క్స్కి మధ్య ఉండే డిఫరెన్స్ 1 degree అనుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. దెన్ హౌ మెనీ డివిజన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? 5 divisions. 1 by 5 is equal to 0.2 degree Fahrenheit. Each small line is equal to 0.2 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, this is about thermometer, clinical thermometer. Okay, doctors will check the body temperature of the patients by using the clinical thermometer. Okay, and we can see two scales, we can find two scales on it. One is Celsius scale and other one is Fahrenheit scale. Celsius scale starts from 35 to 45 degrees Celsius. Okay, readings are from 35 to 45 degrees Celsius. Fahrenheit scale is from 94 to 108 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, there is a kink in the capillary tube near the bulb. What is the use of the kink? It prevents the mercury falling ఆన్ ఇట్స్ ఓన్. అంటే మెర్క్యూరీ దాని అంతటా అది టెంపరేచర్ తగ్గిపోయినప్పుడు దాని అంతటా అది కింద పడిపోకుండా ప్రివెంట్ చేస్తుంది అన్నమాట ఈ కింగ్. నౌ హౌ టు యూజ్ ది థర్మామీటర్. Okay, when you go to the doctor, how they will use the thermometer, we can observe. What they will do, they will take the thermometer from the antiseptic solution. That means from patient to patient, if you for checking from one patient after the other, in between they will keep the thermometer in the antiseptic solution. Okay, and after that what they will do, they will give the jerks to the thermometer. Like this they will give the jerks to the thermometer. Why? There is a kink, no? The mercury level in the capillary tube must fall below the 35 degrees Celsius, or this is Celsius, or 95 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, after taking out the thermometer from the antiseptic solution, that sisters or doctor will give the jerks to the thermometer. Why they will give the jerks? Mercury will not fall on its own due to the kink. Okay, if you give the jerks, that mercury level in the capillary tube will come below the 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degree Fahrenheit. After that they will place the bulb of the thermometer under the tongue or armpit. Okay, and they will observe the shining line in the capillary tube, and then they will tell you the after placing in the armpit or under the tongue, they will wait for 1 minute. After that they will take it out and they will observe the shining line in the capillary tube, and they will note down the temperature of that patient's body. Okay, what is the normal temperature of the human body? Okay, that is the average body temperature of large number of healthy persons is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, normal temperature of the human body will be 37 degrees Celsius or 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. What is normal temperature of the human body? Means the average body temperature of large number of healthy persons. Okay, ఈ హెల్దీ పర్సన్స్ బాడీ టెంపరేచర్ని అందరికి చూసినప్పుడు యావరేజ్గా ఎంత ఉంటుందంట? 98.4 డిగ్రీ ఫారెన్హీట్ ఆర్ 37 డిగ్రీ సెల్సియస్ ఉంటుందంట. సో ద నార్మల్ టెంపరేచర్ ఆఫ్ ది హ్యూమన్ బాడీ ఈజ్ 37 డిగ్రీ సెల్సియస్ ఆర్ 98.4 డిగ్రీ ఫారెన్హీట్. Okay, sometimes you can experience, no, it is rising above the 100 like that. They will know 101 degree Fahrenheit like that. They will give you the temperature. Okay, thank you.